We gonna get some rollers. What's up?
I could jump behind this motherfucker. I'ma do the race.
Underground Radio.
I could jump behind this motherfucker. I'ma do the race. Nigga say I'm tripping.
Whoa!
Ain't nobody slipping me out.
Transform! Whoa! You about to stick it in you. Whoa! What? Fuck?
What the fuck is he sending me?
Griffin! What?
That's fine.
Yo,
shit.
he got what?
That's fine.
You're fried.
Not my type. Bitch was getting too excited.
I'm gonna touch you.
I gave her life. Free my niggas locked down. You can't do it. I can't even feel my motherfucking face. I can't even feel my motherfucking face. I could jump behind this motherfucker. I'ma do the race.
What it do, Cozy Crew? Another video in the cut. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? How y'all doing today? As y'all see, we at Panda Express. We gotta get some food. We got a little agenda today. We're gonna link up with the boys. You already know. We've been trying to do this for a little fat minute, and we finally got the chance to do it, and we're doing it now. It's time to do it. So we do it. We do it. We do it. All right, Alice and Griffin. That's who we're gonna be linking up with. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing today overall, but I know I'm gonna be linking up with them, possibly shooting maybe I guess you could say a commercial or a possible trailer for a film. All right, let's see what we're gonna order. Bro, this thing takes so long to warm up. I sat there for 10 minutes waiting on this thing to warm up. I drove here not too far from the crib and it's still not warmed up. What? I'm about to get gas over there and it's still not gonna be warmed up. What the fuck? All right, boys. We just dropped Jit off at work. It's time to take the F off. We're about to go link up with the dudes and then we're gonna stop at the crib to go get my computer and my headset so that I can record up here for y'all. You feel me? So y'all can see everything. All right, boys. I'll tap in with y'all in a few minutes. Bye.
The wings of God will protect you, big bro. You're gonna be safe and warm.
Griffin, come outside.
Okay, get to downtown and I'll be there. I'm like 2 minutes from downtown, so
You nigga, you were complaining about going downtown, but you're...
I'll be uptown, okay? Get to downtown.
He said get to
Get
downtown.
to uptown.
What?
No, get to downtown because tomorrow I'm going to uptown, so I need to go to downtown today.
Why are you going uptown tomorrow?
Because yes, oh my God.
He's gonna start talking about some of his fridge, walk the fish outside and shit.
Oh God.
I see.
I see is crazy.
Check your Instagram.
Brother. What the fuck is he sending?
What the fuck?
What the fuck is sending me?
Griffin!
That's fine shit. Fine
Yo,
shit.
he got what?
That's fine
You're
shit.
fried. You're fried.
Oh, goddamn. Right next home. That card.
I'm gonna touch you. As our boys see, linked up with Alice. They're about to follow us to the crib, and yeah, we finna link up. Then we finna go chill with Griffin, and then after that, I'm pretty sure we're gonna shoot some more footy. They're gonna get some rollers. Yes, sir. They're gonna get some more rollers, and we gonna skedaddle. You feel me?
Oh shit.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm for sure out the window, man.
Facts. What the fuck? Oh my God.
You gonna find out tonight, boy. Get back to work, boy.
God damn.
We hear that bit more times, man. Burgers.
What? All right. Like I said, it's later in the day. We're here with the boys. Her front got a little. We're gonna get some action. We're gonna get some footage. Damn, it's cold, bro. Alright. don't matter. We both record.
Hey, my Afro fuck.
My balls are stuck to my leg.
Is this some goofy shit? Hold on. Hey. Damn.
No. That was it.
You see me riding in that Benz. I hope your bitch not would fucking have to send me. Nigga, have to send me. Nigga, automatic. Nigga, run up to me. Bitch. I show him magic. Pull up on my dick. Just slap it on his face. Keep on talking. I'm a fucking gay.
They got the switch.
This nigga got a Ben 10 watch.
But
what
they ain't
the
got
fuck?
this.
Whoa.
Ain't nobody switching me out, nigga.
Oh my god!
Ain't nobody switching me out, nigga.
Transform.
Where the fuck is you?
Pablo Diaz.
No, you're not. We got your
Bro, we got the
location.
location.
This nigga is cuddled up in the bed right now with socks on.
Bro, you said on the way.
Bro, it's hip
oh,
deep in
hold
some
on,
puss.
hold on. You said on the way to the garage at 10:12, nigga. It's 10:29. Damn near 10.
I had to get ready.
Shut the fuck up.
You're
Get
lying.
in the car.
I'm on the way, bro.
I don't believe you. Come.
Non-consensually, nigga.
Non-consensually.
I'm illegal, so that shit don't count with me, brother.
Damn.
No. Why you not recording me?
I don't see a cool car though.
The fucking Saturn.
The Saturn.
Yeah, the fuck.
It's
bro.
a hybrid, my nigga.
It's 1,000 horsepower, bro. What you
If
mean?
you're jealous, just say that, bro.
Fact.
Nigga, your car couldn't decide if it wanted to be gas or electric. So,
It runs on two fuels, bro. You know what I'm
nigga,
saying?
nigga, it runs on hopes and dreams, nigga.
Some shit you don't have, nigga. You're illegal.
Nah, I'm chilling.
That shit runs on hope it don't get wet.
Wait, hold up.
Come to the back. Come to the back, bro.
You about to stick it in you.
You ain't doing no sticking. I'm the one that's gonna
Bro,
be sticking.
I'm not gonna stop until you like it, bro.
Whoa.
Stop it. Get some help.
I was here 2 weeks ago laying pipe up there in this car.
Last
And you
time-
sitting right there where I was fucking,
Bro,
so.
when I so I'm sitting right here, bro.
So you already in position for me.
I am happy I'm sitting right, bro. Come to the back, bro.
Am I not here? What the fuck? I'm gonna be a Oreo nigga. What the fuck?
I mean, you could be the cameraman. What the fuck?
That's
Oh,
wild.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, got this shit, yeah.
I just got the POV footage.
Let's do it.
They'll probably be right here.
Yeah. Before I could get to the car.
Yeah.
All right. That'll be tough.
So we walk. Right? We just gonna play it through, right? We walk.
And then they'll be right here because the light is perfect.
Yeah. Hey, where you get your jeans? See this light right here?
Hell yeah.
So it'll probably be right here.
And then they'll kind of like push me this way, towards this
Where
way.
you get your jeans? Damn.
That's true.
You could walk past them, push through them. All right.
One.
Fuck it, bro.
Come on, Griff. That was, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was so fucking good. Yes, bro, that shit was good.
The little vacuum cleaner pulled it
Whoa. What the fuck? Yo.
She around your first shot.
Nah, but the fact that you got the vision for it,
Okay, yeah.
that's all you really need, bro.
Nah,
Time and patience. And the fact that we about to get this shit tonight. Wait, what time is it? We'll just start right here. We'll just start the film right here.
Say, how where you got the jeans from?
Can't tell you that, bro.
Let me get the low.
Griffin. Griffin.
What's this mounting system you got here?
It's a head mount.
I've never seen one.
I have a headache. I have an actual headache from this head
For
mount.
sex videos?
Well, that too.
That's crazy.
All right, YouTube. We just got done in the parking garage. It's like, I don't know. We still got footage to get. So you was gonna play the Xbox only because I talked about playing the Xbox? You're fucking insane. You know that? You're wild.
No, only thought about playing the Xbox because you took my computer. My computer.
Ooh, I fucked up.